Hello everybody, my name is Moses and I'm the sales manager with Dreamworx Roofing. Today we want to go over reasons for cancellation. And you might think that the only reason that we would cancel your roof installation is because of rain or snow. But there's actually another reason, and it's probably one of the hardest ones to deal with, is the heat. Today it's about 95 degrees. We've had a shingle laying out for just a few hours, and I want to show you guys something. So while it may only be 95 degrees out, which is still very hot, we've got the shingle laying here on the ground, and when we point our digital thermometer at it, come up with about 168 degrees, right? That is hot. These shingles are so hot, they will blister your fingertips whenever you're going to install them. Now the safety obviously is one thing of our installers, but we want your roof to look good whenever we're done installing it. For us to install shingles, we actually have to walk on them as we go up the roof. Look what happens when I put my foot, and I'm a light guy, maybe 150, 160 pounds, just a little bit of walking. Look what happens to these shingles. Oh, they're so hot. The granules just fall right off, okay? Imagine a bunch of guys up on the roof for hours at a time, really walking, putting on their weight, traveling across the roof here. You can see the granules coming off these shingles. Now, that gets really bad over time. So, if you get a call from your production manager the day before the job to reschedule just due to the heat, don't be upset. We're just trying to make sure that your roof looks great by the time we're done. Thanks for joining us, guys.